Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On my channel I got some comments about people asking me if this BMW 1150RT is something for a beginner rider. I want to share my experience and let's find out if it is or it isn't. Let's get into it. This big BMW motorcycle was the first motorbike I bought, and I bought it because I like to make longer trips through Europe.
This is a touring motorcycle known for its long-distance comfort, smooth handling and that iconic boxer engine. It's got a 1130cc engine, 95 horsepower and weighs in at around 280 kilograms. It's definitely not light.
I know what you're thinking. A BMW 1150RT as a first bike? It's not exactly your typical beginner's bike, right?
As a first-time rider, the weight and size were intimidating at first. But one of the first things I noticed was how well balanced the bike felt. The low center of gravity helped a lot, especially in those early days of learning to balance and control the throttle.
So the weight and the size can be intimidating at first, but take your time to get comfortable with it.
Now, being a touring bike, the R1150RT was designed for comfort over long rides. The windscreen is adjustable, the seat is comfortable and the fairings provide great wind protection.
It got heated grips, which can also be nice when it gets a bit colder like it is right now. So it's not only a bike for in the summer times, but it's also very comfortable when it gets colder and if you want to drive the whole year around. The only issue I had on the longer distances was that the foot pegs are a little bit high, in my opinion. So yeah, my knees were hurting a little bit after a while.
The bike was a joy to ride. It's surprisingly agile for its size. The handling on twisty roads was fantastic, and the braking system gave me a lot of confidence. It's got linked brakes, which means when you apply to the front, a bit of the rear gets applied too.
So it wasn't all smooth sailing, because I had some little accidents with it. I dropped it once when we were in England. I dropped it when I was driving on slow speed uphill and I was trying to make a corner, but then my front tires slid through the gravel and I lost control, and then yeah, it fell down. So it wasn't a big deal, but yeah, the pannier was damaged on the bottom.
The bike's size and power definitely took some getting used to, especially in the beginning. Touring bikes like the R1150RT or R1200RT could be a great choice once you gain more experience and confidence. Models like the BMW F750GS or the G310R could be more suitable starting points. They offer easier handling, lower weight and a more approachable seat height.
Don't instantly buy your dream bike. You can do this later when you have the experience. So I choose not to buy a new bike, but start with a second-hand bike in the first place as a beginner driver. Because you don't really feel the pressure that there will be a scratch here or there, or you are worried that something can happen to your bike. You can buy these machines for about 2,000 to 3,000 euro from the internet. Bikes like these are on the internet for you to buy and to get experience. When you're comfortable, then buy a more expensive bike. So, would I recommend this bike to a beginner?
Well, the BMW R1150RT is an impressive touring bike. It might not be the best fit for a complete beginner due to its size and weight. It's a fantastic bike for more experienced riders who enjoy long distance travel and comfort. If you're just starting out, you might consider a lighter, more manageable option to build your skills and confidence. In case you do choose a motorcycle like this as your first one, like me, take your time to get comfortable and start with short trips. Doing some practice on a parking lot may help too. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle tips and reviews. Ride safe and see you next time.